right off the bat, I love the beefy sound from the engine and the transmission. Just sounds really, really, really tuned. And of course, like with, oh, that is nice. Like with the other Toyotas, with the Safety Sense 2.0, it's a really, really intuitive system. But I just can't get over how nice the steering wheel feels. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a manual mode, then put it in a sport mode and see what it does with this being a CVT. Oh wow. It actually has pretty good power. And the overall ride quality is pretty nice. It's definitely not a racing suspension like in the TRD. It's not as stiff, but it's still pretty nice, easy to control. So I couldn't figure out why the cruise control wouldn't come back on, and when you're in manual mode, it won't let you cruise. So you'll have to make sure that you're just in your regular drive mode to do that. But in regular mode, you can go ahead and manually shift with the paddles. But it's crazy how good of gas mileage this thing gets. Coming down this back road, getting probably between 35 and 40 miles to the gallon. Just cruising at 50. And that's really what these are best for, what they're best known for, is you can get the best gas mileage out of a Toyota Corolla. And some things never change. And brake feels really nice. They're actually a bit more powerful than I was expecting. And a really nice and light feel to go with the car. But I'm gonna put it in the sport mode one more time to get on the interstate. I'm not gonna use the paddles though, I'm just gonna see what the car does on its own. So I have the lane tracing and the radar cruise on now. So it's doing most of the driving. And then it's also keeping that safe distance between myself and the vehicle in front of me, so as I'm getting closer, it's starting to slow down a little bit to match that speed. And what's cool is as the vehicle starts to get further ahead of me, it does start to speed up too. But coming down the interstate doing 75, surprisingly a really nice ride, really controlled. And I hear a little bit of road noise, but overall, really, really nice in here. This is really relaxing, actually. And it's nice how even the sportier version of the Corolla is still a really nice commuter car. That exhaust just sounds really, really nice. And this will bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Toyota Corolla SE Apex.